Having trouble with Wi-Fi on your Nintendo Switch Lite? Downloads freezing, online games lagging, random connection issues popping up? In this video, I'll walk you through some simple but highly effective fixes you might not have tried yet. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Turn on flight mode. Go to System Settings, then move to Airplane Mode and turn it on. Now, from here, turn off Bluetooth NFC and only keep Wi-Fi on. This actually helps reducing interference on wireless connections, so you might fix Bluetooth interference related issues from this. Also, go close to your router for a better result. Number 2. Restart everything. If you have recently switched your SD card or updated your Switch, your console is most likely just acting up. So unplug your Wi-Fi router for 30 seconds, then plug it back. After that, get your Switch at hand, hold the power button for 5 seconds, tap power options. Now select restart. This clears connection bugs on both sides. Number 3. Delete and reconnect to Wi-Fi. One of the most overlooked fixes, but definitely effective, it actually recalibrates your network for better output. So go to System Settings, scroll down to Internet. Now open Internet Settings, tap your network. After that, tap Clear Settings or Delete Settings. Once you are done deleting it, reconnect with the correct password. This always fixes hidden errors and saved Wi-Fi data. That's all for now. Simple but proven fixes to get your Switch Lite back online. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Nintendo tips and troubleshooting guides. Catch you in the next one.